Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, hey. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be doing a beginner-friendly everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notification bells because I post videos every Thursday and you don't want to miss them. Now, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go to a birthday party and I wanted to show you guys my just simple everyday makeup. I don't, go all out. So this won't be a really extensive video and I won't talk a lot in it either. But I just wanted to give y'all a up-to-date, simple, go-to everyday makeup look. So first I'm going to fill in my brows using the Revolution Makeup Revolution London eyebrow pencil. Next, I'm going to take the NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. Then we're going to go into the face. Even though it is cooling down and it's fall time, practically almost winter time, I still use SPF. I still use sunscreen basically, because even though it's cooler, you still need to protect your skin from the sun and its rays. And this is just Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen, SPF 15, and it's for sensitive skin. It does not have a scent to it. I'm going to put it on before I actually apply my primer. And it serves as two purposes. It is a moisturizer and a sunscreen. So during the winter time, my skin is usually drier than it is during the summertime. Hence why I don't use the oil. You don't see me use the oil as much as I did during the summer months. Now that I have that on my face, I'm going to go in with my I Heart Revolution Peach Delight Mattifying Primer. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love this primer. Sorry, it's not focusing in. I love the smell of it. I love the tackiness of it. I just really like this primer. Okay, so this is a new step I've been doing. This is Revolution Glow Dream Beam Face and Body Illuminating Primer. And so I want my skin to still have a little glowy look to it underneath it. So I'm just going to put this in the areas that I still want my skin to look glowy, like here, and I'll probably put some on my nose. And I'll just take my finger and dab it in. Now I'm going to take my Born to Glow foundation by NYX or NYX, I say NYX Professional Makeup, and I am going to just apply it to my face. Now I'm going to mix two concealers. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer and then the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm going to highlight with these two. I usually let that sit for a while and then I take a wet sponge and blend everything in. I do my eyes last because I like for them to sit a little bit longer than the rest of my face. When I blend in the concealer underneath my eyes, I like to look up to make sure I am getting in the creases. Okay, now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photofocus powder and banana, and I'm just going to set everywhere that I have concealer. I like to take the powder and press it into my eyes, so like push it in. I don't really bake because sometimes baking, if you bake with the wrong powder, it can leave that white cast, and when you take pictures, that's where you see the casket face going, so we don't want that. Okay, so now I'm going to take my True Complexion palette by Black Radiance and just add a little contour to my face. Just a small cheek area. I'm going to take this lighter brown shade here and contour my nose with it, and also add a little bit just to my eyes. If y'all are wondering, I have on individual lashes. That's why I didn't put strip lashes on like I normally do. I've been practicing doing individual lashes so that I can hopefully give you guys a tutorial on them. So this is my second time doing them. They turned out better than the first time. So once I practice a little bit more, then you know, hopefully it'll be a video coming for that too. Now I'm going to take the Saharan Blush Volume 2 by Juvia's Place and put some blush on. I'm going to take Tao and Sola. And since I have this pink on, I want my cheeks to be real rosy. Look at the way they hold their chat. Honestly amazing. I want you on occasion. I can do you favors that I know you won't. I like to just dust the excess on my nose. Now I don't really worry about that because I put my powder foundation on next to last, and it'll help blend all of that in, which is the step that we're about to do now. I use the Full Spectrum by CoverGirl Matte Ambition, and it'll help dull some of that blush down, as you guys can see. Okay, now we're gonna go in with highlight. another Revolution product. Makeup Revolution products are really affordable, so that's why you see me use so many of them. They're always running some type of special deal, and even their regular products aren't, regular price products that aren't on sale aren't expensive either, and they have really good products. So right now I'm just adding highlighter.
Learn how to behave. I know I'm a stranger, but I feel acquainted. Reading the signs, we both got our damages. I don't wanna play it safely. With you it's different. You've been what I'm missing. Real talk, no fiction.
Okay, now I'm going to take some mascara, put on my bottom lash line or waterline. And I'm gonna take this Revlon Color Stay Sharp Line liquid liner, and I'm just gonna bring my beauty marks back that I have. Now we are ready to set our face. I'm going to be using two products. Since I'll be out for a while, a couple hours, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist mixed with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Now, if you want your makeup to last for hours, this is the spray. You need this spray. So lastly, I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on. I don't wear lipstick every day, or with my everyday makeup look. Lip gloss, and this is currently my favorite lip gloss. It is by Essence. I think it's like $3. When I tell you the gloss, the shine is real. The shine is real. And there we have it. Now I'm gonna go fix my hair, and we'll be back to close this video out.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was simple and easy and beginner friendly. I did want it to be beginner friendly. If you watched this whole video, please leave me a red heart. Drop it down below. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch you in my next one.
Keep wishing you would kiss me.